This is not your beauty salon receptionist. It's an AI. And right now, it's replying to customers on WhatsApp completely on its own. Watch this. I'm going to ask, how much do you charge for a bridal makeup package? Instantly, it gives the answer. Now, let's ask one another. Can I book an appointment for tomorrow evening? Again, it understands my message and replies immediately by asking me my details. So, not only this AI assistant is going to be handling each and every inquiry from your customers. And as you can already see on your screen, this AI receptionist is working completely live. See, everyday beauty salons receives the same WhatsApp questions. What's the price? Are you open today? Can I book an appointment? And much more. Instead of answering all these questions manually, an AI receptionist can handle them automatically 24/7. And you know what is the interesting part? I didn't build a custom AI model, I didn't hire a developer, and I didn't write a single line of code. I built it using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, this AI assistant does not answer from the internet. It answers using your salon's own information. This AI assistant handles all the conversations automatically. So for creating this AI assistant, the platform I am using is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow lets you build WhatsApp AI assistants, AI chatbots, broadcast campaign, and complete WhatsApp automations without coding. For today's tutorial, we'll create an AI receptionist that can answer customer questions using your salon's own information. Instead of creating dozens of chatbot rules, we simply train the AI assistant with our salon services, pricing, appointments, timing, and FAQs. After that, we'll connect it to WhatsApp and it will be ready to respond customers automatically. You can also build this exact AI receptionist along with me using the Pabbly Chatflow free trial. So while watching this tutorial, you can create your own AI assistant, train it with your own salon information, and test everything in real time. And after trying the Pabbly Chatflow, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this AI receptionist. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this AI assistant feature. And this page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer customer questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you need to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I'll enter as Glow Beauty Receptionist and click on this add AI assistant button. See, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI receptionist, where at first you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the AI agent from here. As soon as I can select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your customers. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. Moving forward to the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. After that, the model provider that I am selecting as OpenAI. Here I have set the temperature to 0.5. After that, the model provider that I am selecting as OpenAI. Next, you need to select the AI model variant that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. After that, this is the API key field. In this field, you need to paste the API key. So for getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page and click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission and click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can generate an API key. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I'll click on this connect button and see our OpenAI key is saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message here. I'm not adding. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. See, stop keywords works like this. For example, here I have entered the stop keyword as stop, and the customer will send exact that keyword while communicating with the AI receptionist. Then AI receptionist will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I'm not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI receptionist will retry to give replies to your customers if something goes wrong. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the customer if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or a connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customer for the better conversation. Now comes to the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you need to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant provide business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, we are going to design an AI assistant specially for beauty salons. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. Inside this, I have added all the information related to my beauty salon, welcome messages, salon services that I am providing, and much more. It works like a brain for your AI assistant, so make sure that it includes all the information related to your business. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a text or the PDF formatted file. And the file size should be less than 90 MB. Accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a knowledge base file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. Here I have successfully uploaded. Moving forward, I'm going to select the same knowledge base file from here and clicking on this insert button, and see our knowledge base file is uploaded successfully. Moving forward to the assistant interface, here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I'm replacing the heading with Glow and Grace Beauty Salon, and you can see as soon as I have make any changes on this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that is going to be visible in front of your customers. You can customize the content based on your own business. Here I have replaced the subheading as well and the initial message too. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. After that, I'll enter the footer text as find our salon, and see this is the same footer that is going to be visible here. Also one test footer link as well, and the user first message I'm going to enter as hello. Hey, see here I have successfully customized this AI assistant based on my beauty salon. After that, the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. That's it. You have successfully learned how to create an AI powered assistant for your own salons. And not only here, you can set this AI assistant inside your websites as well. Yes, you heard right. So to do this, you need to click on this embed option, and it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code from here and paste it inside your websites, and this AI assistant is going to be accessible inside your websites as well. After doing the setup, you need to click on the settings option and go inside the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here just scroll down and you will see an option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select select the contact list from here to which you want to set the AI assistant as well as the AI assistant too, and click on this save button. So the creation and the setup of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing AI receptionist, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And this is just one example. By doing the same step and uploading your own business knowledge base file from here, you can customize this AI assistant based on your own use cases. This AI assistant will work 24/7 for your salons even when you are unavailable. So you don't need to hire any receptionist. The only thing you need is this AI assistant. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.